Your head needs to be behind.
Sunburnani.
Alright?
Hey, Sunburnani, guys, we are playing Friday night games. Oh, my network, my sound. Buningi. I left Instagram so I can come go live here, guys. I don't know what is going on that side.
Head in the back.
Sunburnani.
Shot. This is the last one. When I give you one, the last one. You want the
Let's
second
see
one.
what's happening here.
Rock, paper, scissors. Shot. You win. Come to the other side.
Sunburnani, beautiful people. I hope you guys, I hope you right. That's all my Friday night games. Hey, Yolanda. Oh, the lighting. I see your camera. I need tissue.
Give me mine.
Give me your thing.
All right.
And I've been cleaning it the whole time. No, it's makeup.
So, for fairness,
I want to sit
in
down.
round 2, you're going to use
Sunburnani,
the
guys.
to push the watermelon. Can you please shoot my sister? Where is the watermelon?
Sunburnani.
Let's celebrate you.
Oh, on
TikTok?
Yeah.
This is fair.
Yes, P.
Hey babies, how are you? Oh my goodness. Me and Spear trying to figure something out. Okay. My baby. Yes, the baby. Hey, my life, hey, what are we doing here?
Okay, prize money sponsored by Local
Sunburnani, guys.
3, 1, push that watermelon. Okay, Tyrone wins this round.
Guys, Sunburnani, Lakala, go Tyron. Go my tie.
Where are the balloons? So, can I get all the finalists to come? Tyrone?
Yeah, for this one. I don't know what's going on with my one, Shem. Even on Instagram, I was having a problem.
Oh, switching the camera.
No, now it's done. Yeah. I think it's my network. It's an issue. Sunburnani, beautiful people. Tata Tyrone. Uwinile, show me shout out. Yes, this is it. Shout out.
Can I have the finalists? Tyrone? Young Bobby?
Tyrone.
And who else? Pilani. Alright. So earlier on I said you're going to some around, okay? You have to use your mouth to pop the balloon. You're going to some here. Alright. So here.
Let's go. Guys, namin gadala soon. Wish me luck. Okay, I want to try win 5,000. Wish me luck. I'm going to be playing soon. I'm going to be playing soon. Say hey, Smarty.
It's so embarrassing and so fun.
Did you see her?
Okay, how about the sharp? That's it. Oh.
Uchatile ugele. Nafaka ma CV. Uchatile ugele.
Alright, so game works.
Marriage.
Yes.
The marriage.
Marriage.
Give the weathering.
You must sit on it.
You good?
I'm good, man. You just landed.
Only your mouth.
Okay.
Pop the balloon with your mouth.
Better late than never.
Fair.
So,
I like a lot of that.
no hands, no feet.
It's finished.
Pop the balloon with your mouth.
His kudos, the
Pop the
man.
balloon with your mouth. Pop the balloon with your mouth. Yes, pop the balloon with your mouth. Pop the balloon with your mouth. Alright, with your mouth. Yeah, imbundo. Epa, Lulu. Imbundo. Okay.
Hello, my family. Sunburnani.
That's how we move. That's action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You guys are asking for Mandy. Here's Mandy. Nandiyeke isithandwa senhliziyo yami. Hey, isithandwa senhliziyo yami le ntombazana le guys. Ngimthanda. Nangu ubhuti wami ke bokuyibirthday yakhe izolo-ke. Wenza. Hayi, asiya sombe. Nazo. What happened? Sorry, my love. I'm so sorry, my love.
Tyrone wins 5,000 rand.
Audience restricted. No, it's restricted. So guys, it's a beverage. Yeah. One thing get TikTok and bev. One thing about TikTok and beverage. Where's Mshini, guys? Mshini is Zomtola. I'll show you guys Maggie Hagen, Tyrone 1, and